In this video, we are going to look at the features of computers. Speed, accuracy, reliability, versatility and storage capacity are the 5 most important features of computer that have made us all pervasive. Speed. Typically, a computer can carry out 3 to 4 million instructions per second. Accuracy. Computer exhibits a very high degree of accuracy. What does that mean? That errors that are usually done by humans, if you and me are doing any calculations, any operations, we might do some errors, the computer will not do those errors. Reliability. Computer can carry out the same type of work again and again, but it will not do any error. It doesn't get bored like us and make errors. Versatility. Computers can carry out a wide range of work. You can see in your own life, it will create documents for you, it will create presentations. You go to a hospital, so you see that all login and log out of the patients is being done using that. If you go to a railway station, you can book a ticket using a computer. So it is doing a wide variety of work for you. Storage capacity. Computers can store a large amount of data. On a very small memory, small hard disk or pen drive, you can store huge amounts of data. For example, the employee details of a company that has say 1000 employees can be just put on one pen drive. So that is the storage capacity of a computer. These features bring us to the advantages that the computer has to offer. Computers can do the same task repetitively with the same accuracy. No error will be introduced if the computer has done the same work say 100 times or 200 times. Computers do not get tired or bored like us. They will keep on doing the same work repetitively and still with the same accuracy. Computers can take up routine tasks while releasing human beings for more intelligent functions. What does that mean? That the dumb functions, the same calculations that have to be done again and again can be given to computers, and we humans can utilize our time and expertise in doing something more creative that cannot be done by the computer. However, computers have their own disadvantages as well. Computers have no intelligence. Just now, like I told you, that we humans can do creative work, but computers cannot do that because they do not have a intelligence. They do not have brains like we humans do. Second is, regular electric supply is necessary to make computers work. So if you do not have regular electric supply, the computer will not work. You might say that laptops will work. Okay, laptops also have certain amount of battery life, say 4 to 5 hours they will work, but after that they will just die out. And last but not the least, trained people are required to work on computers. If somebody does not know anything about computers, how to work on that, they cannot use the computer. In this video, we have seen what the features of computers are, what makes it so useful to us. In the next video, we are going to learn about booting. That is, how do we start a computer.